Good morning, teacher. My name is Dylan. I'm going to prepare red noodles. These are the ingredients: spaghetti, 1 onion, 1 hot pepper, 1 garlic, 4 tomatoes, 1 carrot, drumstick chicken. I cut the onion. I cut hot pepper. Put oil in the pan. Add the onion and hot pepper. Prepare a dressing. Blend tomatoes and grate the carrot. Add all together in the pot with the roasted chicken and cook. And the carrot. And the roasted chickens. Delicious. And juice of tomatoes. Boil water in a pot. Add the spaghetti. Serve it. Thank you, miss.